Hello guys and welcome. In this video I will show you how to promote your videos or profile views whatever you want. So without wasting any time, let's get started by going to the App Store, and here in the App Store you need to search TikTok in the search bar. Here you can see TikTok. What you need to do is simply update it to the latest version. Once you have updated the app, simply go ahead and open it.
Let's see if someone in this.
Once you open the TikTok, here what you need to do is go to your profile in the bottom right corner of the screen. Here you need to tap on the three white lines in the top right corner of the screen. Here you need to tap on the promote option. Here you can see boost account. You can select more like and comments, or you can also select more video views if you want. And after that you just simply need to tap on pay. Once you tap on pay, you will be able to boost your views or whatever you want. So that's it for this video. Make sure to like and subscribe for more. Until next time, see you soon in another video.